Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Give me a minute, I'll give you the truth about vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is probably one of the most essential vitamins. It has an important role in the metabolic process of each of our body cells. However, when there is a vitamin B12 deficiency, that can be detrimental to the health and cause some long-term diseases. There are various symptoms which indicate that there is a vitamin B12 deficiency. Some of the most common symptoms are the following: forgetfulness, dizziness, pale skin, muscle weakness, paresthesia, eye issues, fatigue. This vitamin is very important for the overall health and it provides a wide range of health benefits. Vitamin B12 health benefits: boosts energy levels. This vitamin is crucial for the production of energy. Moreover, vitamin B12 keeps the cells healthy. It isn't strange that when there is a lack of this vitamin, people are feeling tired and weak. Helps digestion. Vitamin B12 helps in the production of digestive enzymes. Furthermore, it removes the damaging bacteria in the digestive system and prevent digestion issues. Keeps the heart healthy. This vitamin lowers the levels of homocysteine and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Prevents nerve damage. Vitamin B12 keeps the nerves healthy by protecting them from toxic substances and totally free radical damage. How to get vitamin B12 naturally? Fortunately, you can get this vitamin from various foods. All you should do is increase the intake of the following foods which are rich in vitamin B12. Here are the foods which include the highest levels of this vitamin. Sardines 13.3 mg in 1 cup. Tuna 9.3 mg in 3 ounces. Trout 9.1 mg in 1 fillet. Beef and chicken liver 81 mg in 3 ounces. Salmon 19.5 mg in 108 grams, 1 fillet. Herring 18.7 mg in 143 grams, 1 fillet. Mackerel 15.3 mg in 3 ounces. Organic yogurt 1.3 mg in 1 container of plain Greek yogurt. Turkey 1.1 mg in 3 ounces. Raw milk 1 mg in 1 cup. Beef tenderloin 0.9 mg in 3 ounces. Lamb 0.8 mg in 3 ounces. Moreover, you should also consume cereals, cheese, dietary yeasts, and plant-based milk.